Welcome to the May 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. This preview is brought to you by Cape Cod Biochemical. Learn about their Jumpstart probiotic at septiconline.com. On the cover, meet George Allen, founder of Desert Septic in Casa Grande, Arizona. From corrections officer to cement truck driver, Allen's journey to entrepreneurship is one of relentless determination. But it wasn't until a widowmaker heart attack in 2023 that he truly valued his health over business. Read on, his story just might save your life. We shine the spotlight on Jumpstart by Cape Cod Biochemical, designed to supercharge septic systems with healthy bacteria from day one. It prevents clogging, sewage backups, sludge, and more. Introducing Tim Dobbins, the new editor of Onsite Installer, poised to continue the legacy of quality set by his predecessors. Drop him a line at editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Head with us to Florida, where we explore the innovative wastewater management solution at Dade City's seasonal theme parks, Scream-A-Geddon and Snowcat Ridge. Learn about the approach taken by Greg Mayfield, who designed a new permanent system with redundancy and simplicity in mind. Explore Lance Petrosek's journey from snowy Wisconsin landscapes to leading the charge in the wastewater industry. As owner of Associates Septic Service, he navigates challenges from frozen ground to flooded homes. Read his stories and outlook for the future in this month's snapshot. The annual buyer's guide is here. Keep this issue handy for any time you need a reference for the best manufacturers in the industry, all laid out alphabetically and by product category. Learn about the importance of flow equalization systems in wastewater management, including key concepts, equipment, and configurations. Lance Petrosek shares insights on optimizing system performance, addressing peak flows, control panel functions, and timer settings for effective treatment. Remember to welcome our new editor, Tim Dobbins, at editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.